write that this equation is the solution of this differential equation. So let's see the answer. So first here writing the given y equal to e power minus x, and here a x plus b. Now the next is here we need to calculate second derivative. So dy by dx, doing the differentiation with respect to x. So this is here d e power minus x, here ax plus b divided by dx. So here exponential differentiation, that come e power minus x, and minus x differentiation minus 1. Here a x differentiation, that is come 1, and b the constant differentiation, that comes 0. So that here we can write dy by dx equal to minus e power minus x, and here a. Now doing the differentiation again, because we need to get here second derivative. So now doing the differentiation with respect to x once again. So this is now d e power minus x, and here a answer is there, plus a divided by dx. Or if you want, then you can write d e power minus x divided by dx, and here d a divided by dx. So if you calculate minus exponential differentiation minus x, and here minus x differentiation minus 1, a differentiation, that is equal to 0. Then here second derivative, that come, so minus minus, that change to plus, here e power minus x. So this is the second derivative. Now after that take the LHS, make that 1. So here writing, taking LHS, left hand side. So on the left hand side e power x, and here d²y divided by dx². So the next is here e power x, and d, or here you can see this is here, that come dx²y. So this value, that come here e power minus x. So this value is now e power minus x. Now after that e power x, and here if you add this one, that come minus x, and here e power x plus minus minus. Now the next is here e power, so this comes 0, and e power 0, the value come 1. So 1, then you can get, so here on the RHS 1. So we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to 1. The value is the same, so that it's verified. If you want, then you can write here the given y is a solution of this differential equation e power x, second derivative equal to 1. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next to it. Thank you.